Hi guys, so I am after a 3D camera, and this one here, the Insta360 ONE X, has some really good reviews, but unfortunately you can't buy this anymore. You can only buy the bundle available at Apple or Amazon. So I just want to show you how to try and get this at a better price. Okay, it's not available there. Let's try Insta360 store. Let's see if it gives you a price for this thing. Whilst that is loading up, I've got another tab open, typed it in Google. You can see it's going for £400, 443, like around £400 cheapest you can get it for. Okay, and now if you go to eBay, where you will usually look for this kind of thing, you type in Insta360 ONE X, and I'm going to sort by cheapest. Right, lowest price plus postage and packaging. Okay, so obviously it'll list everything. GPS not, so we need to find the cheapest ONE X camera. So it says here the cheapest one is 149, and that's it's still got 6 days left. There's one here, 3 days left, 155. So they're all starting around 155. This one's 1206, 230 bidding stuff. So yeah, you're not going to get one that cheap. But what I want to show you is a program called Fatfingers, and what you can do is you look for typos, spelling mistakes. There you go, eBay spelling mistakes and typos. So if people have put in the wrong or typed it in incorrectly, it won't appear in the search, which means there'll be less people looking at it, and that gives you a chance to get a really good deal. So let's type in Insta360 and click view on eBay. Scroll down, let's see if you can find there's basically one which I have found, which is not coming up in the searches. I found it through this. I think it's because there was a space. That's strange. I did find it. Okay, let's sort that again. Lowest price plus postage and packaging. I didn't do that before. Actually, should have done that. I'm just going to try find. Let's go do that again. Fatfingers. Find. Click view on eBay. I didn't do that last time. I need to go lowest price plus postage packaging. That's strange. Now I did find it through Fatfingers. Maybe that I typed something else, but I'll show you the listing here. Same camera, I've got 35 minutes left, and look, no one's bidding for it. Everywhere else, you have 3-4 days to go, and it's at £200, well, 150 minimum. This one's 102. There's 2 bids left, 35 minutes, and it's at this price, and it's brand new. It's open but never used before, so this is a bargain. So I'm using something called Auction Sniper, and what this does, it bids for you in the last few seconds. So what you do is you find the item that you've got. So this is the item, and this number here is what you need to copy, okay, and then you put that into your item, and then your maximum bid and lead time. So I've done that here, so I'm prepared to pay up to £195. Obviously you shouldn't go to that amount. It should, you know, whoever I can outbid, if it's, say, if I'm the highest bidder and it's currently at 130, it'll mean it'll go up at the next increment, which will probably around 135. So I'm expecting not to go that high, but even if I get it for 200, I think that is actually quite a good deal. I can use it, I can resell it and probably make a profit on it. So yeah, so I put it in, £195, it's currently at 102, 35 minutes to go, and yeah, let's wait and see if I can get a bargain. I do want to show you how I use this Fat Fingers, and it was in here, I found it, but for some reason it's not coming up right now. But this allows you to get a fantastic discount or a great deal on something because somebody has typed in the listing incorrectly, which means it does not appear properly in the searches, and therefore less people, less competition, and more for you to gain. So I'm going to stop this here, but I will let you know how this goes and if we can get it at a bargain price. Okay, so I moved off my PC and now on the phone. We've got 30 odd seconds left before the auction finishes, and let's see what happens. Hopefully I'm expecting it to shoot up a bit in the final seconds, but not as high as our final bid. Let's see, right, 10-second countdown. You should tell right here starting to go up now. 122, okay, 176 is quite close to our, oh no, it's gone past our max, okay, and beyond. Never mind. Looks like it was sold for 226. We've missed out on the item. This was our maximum bid. So here is a summary of the tools which I use. So the first one is Auction Sniper. This is the one that allows you to put in the bids at the very last moment. If you sign up, you get a few free snipes, so you do have to pay for each winning snipe, but I do have a link in the description box. If you use that, you get a few extra ones, and also Fat Fingers. This is the one which I use to look for eBay spelling mistakes, which will help you find items which people aren't looking at. So I hope that's helpful, and I shall speak to you at the next video.